A large part of my job is traveling all over the world and riding two wheels, sometimes three. Such is the case recently with the good people over at Polaris and the family at the brand Amp. They invited your boy Mr. Black Moses to head out to Vegas for the unveiling of the 2020 model lineup of the Polaris Slingshot. In addition to inviting myself and a few other moto journalists, they invited a handful of tastemakers, or who are now referred to as influencers. It was a good mix of people. You had people from all walks of life, from different backgrounds, different cultures, coming together to try out the all-new 2020 Polaris Slingshots. Some of them couldn't even drive stick, which was cool because the new 2020 Slingshot R model actually comes with an automatic transmission. So after the unveil, we had a nice cruise around the Hoover Dam area, ending up at Lake Mead, where we stopped for lunch. After lunch, it didn't take much time for me to find an opportunity to show off just a little bit.
That was fucking dope.
A little bit more, a little bit less?
No, that was great.
Dude, that was fucking fucking ass. All right, dog. Thank you so much, man.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and drop a comment below.